Hey kids, today I decided to draw Alice. She's a pointed kitten, and it's quite interesting how she became like that. She was born all white, and it was like that because her mommy's tummy stayed the same temperature the whole time. But after she was born, the cooler areas of her body became darker. This is because of a special gene in her DNA that expresses color differently depending on the temperature. So basically, now her paws, nose, ears, and tail are dark, and the rest is green. Pretty cool, huh? Let's draw her. I start by tracing the outline of her head, adding little bits of fur, like this. Then I do the eyes, 2 circles with a dot in the middle. Now her nose, it's a horizontal line at the top with a triangle underneath pointing down. Then 1 line for her lips. Let's draw the outline of her face marking. And now her ears. Notice how she's got 2 little pointy bits of fur at the end. Let's do the same on the other side now. Now we're gonna move on to her body. Let's start with the back leg, then the front paw that's closest to us, and then the right one behind it, and then the tummy line. We don't need the last leg because we can't see it from this angle, so we move on to the tail, and her cute little diamond marking on her hip. All we need to do now is add the colors, brown and cream. There. Oh, look at this drawing. Pretty good, huh? I really want to go show it to her. So, see you next time for more drawings. Bye.